Okay, so I was wrong. It's raining a little bit. Look like it's gonna be a storm. It's really windy out here. I left the park a while ago. I need to get my ass home. Oh man. Alright. Shit. That man don't got his lights on. Alright, I'm just gonna try to stay in his bike lane. Stay in his bike lane, stay in his bike lane. Woo! Alright. Doing 21 right now, 21 miles per hour. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh, 23! 23! I shouldn't be excited about this. I need to make sure I'm safe. Alright, let me slow this shit down. Let me slow this shit down. There's a person walking in the bike lane here. It's all good. Hi, brother. Oh, man. That was kind of crazy. We got the red light here. Some bikes don't stop at the red light, but I do. I was always taught to treat the bike like you're riding a car. Yeah, it's kind of crazy out here. Like I said, I was always taught to ride a bike like you're riding a car. Oh, Lord. But just like a car, just because you're a good driver, don't mean no one else around you is. So you still gotta be careful. I'm almost home. I'm almost home. Oh shit. Alright, look. Looks like I'm hitting all green lights. Oh shit. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Alright, y'all. Bye.